When I am sans eyebrows right now, but I got this stencil pack from Ardell. It came in my package from Madame Madeline, and I don't usually use stencils. I freehand my eyebrows on myself and on my clients, but this had me very curious, so I am going to check these out and see if these make my life a lot easier. I don't think they will, but you know, we gotta try. There are a few different stencils. There's the Glamorous Stencil. I don't know if you can see. I probably need like a shape or something. But, oh, that works. See, you can see. This is the Glamorous Stencil. And then there is the Elegant Stencil. Oh, I got two Elegant Stencils, one for each brow. I only got, I don't know why I have two of those. I only have one of the Glamorous. So they gave me two of these. They're like, you really need these ones. And then there's a Classic Eyebrow. Boom, boom, Classic Eyebrow. Only one of those. And then one of the Delicate. They're not that different. Delicate's not really that delicate next to Classic. I don't know if you can see. I need like a dark something behind them. I don't know. But they're not that different. It's just Classic is a little more rounder. They all have a very club front in them, a very rounded front. So we will see how these go. And for effect, I'm going to be using a dark eyeshadow so you can see it. Because normally I would use like a light brown to go with my hair and like two colors or so to kind of blend it. But I'm going to use a dark color just so you can see the shape, okay? Okay, I've removed my glasses and clipped back my hair so I can do this. Now, the directions say, use both hands to line stencil up with the natural shape of your brow, paying particular attention to the inner edge of brow and highest point of arch. Using one hand, hold stencil in place with your thumb and index finger. And using your brow pencil in the other hand, I'm not using a pencil, I'm using a brush. Use light strokes in the same direction as hair growth to fill in the brows. For the other brow, turn stencil over and repeat steps. So, we will start with the Delicate Eyebrow. And I don't have glasses, so you're gonna have to... So, I don't know... Okay, this I don't think is gonna work very well. For one, I'm blind and I can't see where the hole is. I think I'm getting the hole. Nope, the hole's there. Okay. I think you have to actually be able to see. And I can't see without my glasses. So let's try this again. Okay. So I'm getting really close. There we go. Okay. So, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrow and see if this makes. Okay. Well, it is a dark color, and we didn't know I was using a dark color, so let's see. I think maybe don't try eyebrow stencils if you are blind. That, I think, is the takeaway lesson of this. Okay. I have eyebrows now. I gotta put the glasses on because I can't see how it looks. Well, not actually that bad. I don't really like the shape of those ones. That's the Delicate. But doesn't look too bad. Okay, not too shabby. A little round in here, a little long. And it's very dark. But not bad. So let's try another one, shall we? I think I might like Classic a little better. So we're going to line it up with my eyebrow. Okay. Hold it in place. Get my brush. I don't recommend trying this without glasses on. If you can't see without your glasses, this might be trouble. I really don't like the round edges. I'm really not a fan of the round edges at all. And that's a much bigger eyebrow than I normally do on myself. Okay, so a little too big for my face. Still not liking round, and now I look like I have angry brow. Even when I try to, this is not doing this. This is like, I look angry brow. Let's try another one. This is the Elegant Brow. And let's see. I don't know what makes it elegant, but it is the Elegant Brow. I think I lined that up wrong. Okay. This is not going well. I think this is too big of an eyebrow for me. Even with the light color, it's big for me. I don't have a giant face, so I do better with a little bit smaller of eyebrows. Not 90s small or early 2000s small, but smaller. Alright, this one we just did Elegant. Okay, now we have Glamorous. These might be better, they're a little bit smaller. So let's see. Glasses. Okay, this one is some better. The color is still really dark. I think the problem I have with the stencils is they are really round in the front, and I think my main problem though is I'm blind. So if you were to sharpen up your edges just a little bit and get a little more of a sharp point at the end, they would actually work to kind of help guide you, and then you could go in afterwards and do some corrections to them. So you get your basic stencil in place, and then you can come in and sharpen up your edges. Get rid of that overly rounded look. I don't really like the tails because but the arch itself, like curve, isn't too bad. It might be a good training tool and like training wheels for you to work on your eyebrows. So it's not too shabby. I mean, it's not as bad as I expected. Try the stencils. I don't think it's a waste of money, and it'd be good training for you before you learn how to freehand it. I do suggest using multiple colors, not just one single solid color, and that will also help them be more natural. So you finish, come in with powder and kind of sharpen up and clean up your edges. That would be my recommendation. So stencils, not too bad. So until next time, I will talk to you guys later.